Okay, so I made my own little AI engine thing here that I'm gonna eventually turn to audio, where I can give it commands and he can use his eyes and he can see me. So this is early testing under Python, but I can say like, well, turn right 4 times, then turn left 3 times. I haven't tried that yet, so this is my AI engine I created. Let's see what he does. You see that? Now I could say, okay, turn on your video engine. Okay, what do you see? Oh, 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 oh. What's this? Oh, I'm gonna have to fix all this to get this out of here. Oh, shit. A dark room with a gray floor. Okay, there. I have to fix that. What do you see? A dark room with a gray floor. Let me move him closer to me. Oh, I disconnected. Oh. Regardless, though, it's working, as you can see.